Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. My name is Sophia. This is your first time on my channel. You're highly welcome. Okay guys, today is another vlog. I'm going to be taking you guys to my favorite place, which I'm sure a lot of you who normally watch my video would have known Peckham. Okay guys, let's go. I haven't been there for a while. Okay, so let's go Peckham. I want to get some few little things there, and also I want to check my coffee table if I can get it. Okay, so let's get into this vlog. All right guys, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. When you do subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. Okay guys, quickly give a shout out before we go into the vlog. Shout out to all my amazing members: Sheila, A Slice of Sam, Stay Sweet Cuisine, Family Shops Groups, and Victoria. Thank you so much for your support. Shout out to all my amazing subscribers. All right guys, let's get into today's vlog. Okay guys, so the shop I couldn't talk. I couldn't talk in the shop I was. Sorry, the camera is shaking. I don't know how to hold this camera without it not shaking. The shop I couldn't talk. I went to get some food there. I'll show you guys a bit of it. So I couldn't talk, so that's why. Because there's copyright music playing at the background of it. So right now I want to go and get my kids some Vaseline and the hair shop before I go to the furniture shop. Okay guys, so that's what I'm doing at the moment. So I'm going to go into the shop now, get their Vaseline, then I'll go to the furniture shop. Okay guys, so I'm here in Peckham. I want to enter this furniture shop and see if they have the table I want. I'm not sure, but I'm going to go in. Copyright won't allow me talk guys, okay? shower shop of berries, mango, tomato. I think I should go and get. Guys, look at breadfruit and shower shop and berry and mango. Is that can't be mango? That look like guava. I think this is guava. Yeah, this is guava. Yeah, that's guava. And they have some garden egg. Oh, I don't know if this is a fruit that I'm looking for. I'm not sure. Okay guys, so the furniture, they don't have the coffee table I want, so I'm going to go to another another furniture shop. I'm going to go to another furniture shop, so I'm just going back to my car. Peckham can be drama. Can be drama. You see so many people talking, shouting. Let me turn the camera and show you guys. Now you guys see the people walking. Those who are talking are talking. There is Can. All this African food shop. Some of them are cheaper, some of them are not. I like to go to the cheaper ones, which are a bit further away from where I am right now. Okay, so I'm going to the car now, guys. Okay guys, so I'm walking to the second furniture shop now. Because I'm driving, it's limited to where I can go to. But let me check this one. I'll show you guys now. Okay. So I'm here. Let's see if they have the table. Yeah, they have some tables here. Okay. Maybe I'll get this small black one. Oh, I like this one, I swear. Ah, I like this white one, I swear. And this red, this black one. I like this black one. Okay, guys. I think I will get this one, but it's £109. Let's go and bargain. Let's see if they'll bring the price down. The red one is less. And this one is nice, I swear. I don't know if I should get this one. I'm tempted with this one, I swear. But I think I like the black one. But I also like this one. Okay guys, so I decided to get the white frosty one. I'll show you guys. And they have to deliver it to me in 7 days. Oh no, actually, they're not going to deliver it. What am I saying? I'm going to pick it up. They'll fix it and pick it up. Let me show you guys. Okay guys, so that's the one I got. It looks nice though. It doesn't look too bad. I would have preferred the black one. But anyhow, that's the one I got. This one is not bad, but I'm not sure if I like the marble pen. I think this one is not bad. Yeah, I think it's nice. Okay guys, so I'm going home now. Walking home. Walking to the car, not walking home. I can't even walk from here to my house. It's too far. Unless I take transport. But of course, I brought my car. I'm in the car park of Morrison. So I'm going to my car. The weather is bright today. It's not too cold either. So which is good. So let's go to the car. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching today's vlog. Please, if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share it, turn on your notification bell, guys, please, when you do, subscribe so you get notified when I post new videos. One thing I don't like about this Morrison car park is it's not very spacious. If somebody parked too close to you, you can't even enter into your car. That's how bad it can get. I'm just running because the car wants to reverse. So whenever I come here, I have to find a parking that is closer to the road so that someone doesn't park too close to me to the point where I can enter into my car. Some people will park so close to you, and then when you want to enter your car, you can't even fit. You can't even open the door. That's how bad it gets. So that's my only headache why I don't so much like coming to Morrison. But anyway, that's Morrison over there. Yeah, guys, so that is the table. I try not to make the camera to shake, but when you are walking and you are making a video, just want to get into the car. Okay, guys, when you are walking and you are vlogging, the camera will be shaking. No matter how hard you try to hold the camera not to shake, it will be shaking. Okay, guys, let me just get into the car so I end the vlog. All right, guys, I really hope you guys enjoy my little arty today with you all. Yeah, I was able to get my dining sorry guys, not dining, my coffee table. The one I really wanted, they don't have it, so I have to get the frosted one, which I show you guys. So the man said it's going to be ready on the 20th of this month, October. Okay, so I'll have to come and collect it myself, because if I want them to deliver it, I have to pay £20. That's too much. So I'll come and collect it myself, but they will help me to fix it. Then all I need to do is to come and collect it with my car. Okay, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please, if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, like it. Please, thumbs up, like it is the same thing. I always like repeating myself. Yeah, guys, thank you all for watching. I really appreciate you all. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.